Hey resellers, it's Rebecca the Reseller, and I have crazy keywords number, I don't know, 11, 12, 13. I'm not sure how many I've done, but I've done a lot because the information is just so good. So we are always looking for that edge. We always want to get better keywords, show up in more searches on Poshmark so we can get our listings sold. And this is one of the ways that I will tell you I have discovered so many good keywords. So if you haven't seen them before, I do have a playlist. Search Rebecca the Reseller Crazy Keywords. Put the playlist on shuffle and just listen to me while you work, because these are all good keywords that can help you get your items sold, because it is what the buyer is searching for. So it's not what I want to say about the item as the seller. We are now getting into the buyer's mind and seeing, what do they call this? What are they actually looking for? What words do they know? A lot of times they don't know the words that we know. So let's dive in so you can see what I mean. I also want to show you real quick how to do this so you can do it on your own, or you can just listen to me in the videos and I will tell you. So just open up any item anywhere. It could be from the feed, it could be from a search, it could be from your closet, any item on Poshmark. Open up the item, but it has to be on the computer, it's not on the phone. And when you open it up, you scroll all the way down and you see people also searched for, and this is where you see it. Now I'm just looking real quick, I don't see anything that looks that crazy on this one. I mean, not every single one has something interesting. I actually go through several listings before I keep the ones that have something for me to talk about with you. So I do a little bit of prep before we hop on the video. But if you wanted to do this research yourself, you totally could, or you can just work while you listen to me. So this one was Free People Nubby Sweater. So I think that I would put this, but there are probably other terms for it, but I know exactly what they're saying when they say nubby sweater. And so I think that's a good keyword. If that's not something that you know about, you may want to use that the next time you have a nubby sweater. I think that's a good one. This one was sexy girls in tight pants. This is a lot of different kinds of searches, which you'll find sometimes, but it made me remember to say, and I've said it in a couple of videos, tight pants. So if it's leggings, it could be leggings, it could be athleisure, it could be workout, athletic, things like that. But it could then also be tight pants. Most people know the word leggings. Maybe it's for skinny pants, but they're calling them tight pants. They don't call them skinny pants. So just remember that tight is a word that can describe something, and someone might be using it. I think that was the only one on this one. Then summer work dresses on sale. So this is one that comes up from time to time. Summer, I've talked about in past videos, using the keywords spring and summer to describe the season in which you would wear the item. That's always a good idea. Lots of searches are related to that. But on sale, people search for blah, blah, blah on sale. You might consider putting the words on sale in your listing somewhere, because you might come up specifically in a search for that person. So it's a thought. Dresses for a summer wedding guest. So again, if you have a really pretty dress, that could be a wedding guest dress. That could be a summer wedding dress. These are all things that you would want to include if someone could wear it. Party dress for summer wedding. Fashion summer dress, it just means like cheap, no name. Swirl dress, Southern summer dress. So that's interesting, because that would kind of be like that Southern belle debutante kind of look with like the fit and flare type of thing is what comes to my mind. So Southern summer dress, pretty flowing summer dress. So this one says flowing. Usually I say flowy, so that's noted. So pretty flowing summer dress. Purple party dress for summer. Lots of interesting stuff here. Lots of summer, party, pretty flowing. Like, these are good things. These are good. Cheap sweater. So cheap is another one that comes up from time to time. And I don't love it, but I have found some ways to add it to your listing where you can still come up with it, but you don't have to call your item cheap. So you might want to work it into a sentence, like, looking for, a high-end look for for cheap, or, you know, something like that, or like the look for less, and you can work in the word cheap. So that's a possibility. What was the other one? Funny crew neck sweater, ugly sweater. That might have been it on that one. Then long dress, that one always comes up. Fancy dress, I mentioned that in the last one I did, the last video of crazy keywords. So these are just things that when they come up again and again, that should also clue you in to the, and I see them actually in multiple, like when I'm doing my research, I'm pulling up more listings. I don't keep every single one that says fancy. I just want to make the point once in my video. But when they come up again and again, I'll make them in multiple videos to just rehash to you the importance that there are many people out there searching for blah, 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 fancy dress. If you sell a lot of dresses and they can be considered fancy, we are missing out on these keywords because they're looking for a cachet fancy dress. If you sell cachet and you don't have the word fancy on that dress, if it is fancy, you may not be coming up in that search depending on what other search criteria they have going on. You might not be coming up, and then you're guaranteed not getting that sale. So in the last crazy keywords video, I had talked about waxed jeans and how I usually use the word coated, and here it came up coated, so I thought that was good to point out. So waxed, coated, do I see those come up often? No, but someone out there is looking for it. The other one I did think was interesting was colored. So you might have a pair of jeans that's a certain color that's not your typical like dark wash, medium wash, light wash. It's an actual color on the jeans. And so you can put that color, but someone might just be looking for colored jeans. Like they want jeans in fun colors. And so maybe they're looking for colored jeans. And so that is a good point. This one has all kinds of stuff. So cute little black dress is cheap. So that has the cheap, then you've got the little black dress and the word cute, which I think a lot of us have started putting cute into our listings. If you're not, you may consider it because everybody thinks everything is so cute. So you never know. Cute travel dresses. Travel is a great keyword. If you think this is the look that somebody is looking for a travel dress, yes. Really cute maxi dress. Cute party dress for plus size, cute country dress for sale, country look. Yes, like that is a great keyword. Cute corset dress, cute junior bridesmaid dress, cute white lace dresses for juniors, cute dresses prom, cute one shoulder dresses. So having the word cute, having the word fancy, having the word cheap, these are things that don't necessarily describe the item in that it's describing the elements of the dress, but these are all related words that someone can be putting in their search that we might be missing out on. Cupcake sweater, sweater meaning. Oh, I think this one I was looking at 80s Christmas sweaters because I know a lot of people like selling ugly Christmas sweaters. There might be people specifically looking for 80s Christmas sweaters and that kind of look. So I think that's interesting. And then the other parts of this was royal blue, and then fuchsia. I've talked about this and I've posted on Instagram about the kinds of color words that you use. Many people are mistaken on colors and we're not Pantone experts. And so what someone says is royal blue, someone might say peacock blue, someone might say some other kind of blue, and then there's periwinkle and there's this and there's that, and there's so many kinds of blue. I'm not saying keyword stuff and I'm not saying say the wrong thing, but if there are multiple ways to say a color, you might want to put it like fuchsia, magenta, hot pink. There's differences because one's a little bit more purpley pink and one's a little bit more pinkety pink and whatever, but people may not know the difference. And somebody might just say fuchsia, but they really mean magenta or hot pink. Or they might just consider all those colors. And so you might want to think about adding some synonyms for your colors. Animal print is important because if you know it's leopard print, you could still put animal print. Animal leopard print, leopard animal print. If it's python print, you can put python animal print snakeskin print because those are all interchangeable words that people might use. Someone might say python, someone might say animal, someone might say snake. And so they all mean the same darn thing. So that's a good one. Animal print is a good one because it captures all. And sometimes I don't know the difference between leopard and jaguar and cheetah and this and it's too many animal prints. Was that the only one? Monogram, that's interesting. Yeah, no, I think that was it on that one. Okay. I pulled these up like 10 minutes ago and I forgot what they all were. Flowy, I think we all know about flowy. Low cut. So a low cut can be a couple different things. It could be, you know, a cowl that's low. It could be a scoop. It could be a deep V, a plunge, but it's also low cut, meaning you can see all your stuff there. So low cut, I think, is another way that someone would explain what a deep V or a plunge would be. And so we might put plunge, but somebody's saying low cut. So again, synonyms. Okay, so Ralph Lauren, floral dress, size 8, new. Very specific. She knows what she wants. She knows exactly her size. Floral dress from the brand. She wants it new. So instead of perhaps using the filter for new with tags, turn it on, she's writing out the word new. Now, I usually put NWT in the title, but then in the description, so if somebody doesn't know what that means, then I'm putting brand new with tags and I write it out. So I would come up because mine has the word NEW, new, in it. But if you don't write the word new and you only write new with tags and this person doesn't do new with tags filter, you're probably not coming up there. I think that's it. So this was a good one. Lots of interesting keywords here, lots of different kinds of stuff. I will continue to do these. Let me know what you learned from this video, what one was like, aha moment, that's great. I'm going to go put it on all my listings that it makes sense for, or let me know what questions you have about crazy keywords. But I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.